I am not special. I just listen every day. 2 hours a day, simple and slow English. I did this for a long time. My IELTS is 7.5 now. Keep listening, it really works. Part 1. The Dreamer and the Queen.
This movie is Bohemian Rhapsody. The story starts in London, in the early 1970s. Freddie works at an airport. He moves bags all day. His job is simple and boring. He feels stuck in this life. He wants more than this job. Music is the only thing in his heart. Freddie has big teeth. People look at him and laugh. He often stands alone. He feels hurt, but he does not hide. He keeps his head up. He believes his voice can change his life. At home, his parents wait for him. His father wants a safe life for him. Freddie does not want that life. He says he does not want to be like his father. He leaves home and closes the door. That night, Freddie walks into a small bar. Aben plays on the stage. The band is called Smile. Freddie watches the stage with bright eyes. He feels alive in this place. This is where he wants to be. After the show, the singer leaves the band. The two band members sit outside. They looked tired and quiet. Freddie knows this is his chance. He walks up to them and speaks. He says he wants to sing for the band. They look at his teeth and say no. They say his look is not right. Freddie does not walk away. He takes a deep breath. He starts to sing. His voice fills the street. The sound goes high and strong. The two men freeze and stare at him. The next night, Freddie is on stage. People point at him and laugh. Freddie feels the fear. He grabs the mic stand. He does not know how to use it. The mic stand breaks. Freddie holds it in his hand. He sings louder than before. He moves his body with the music. He turns shame into power. The crowd stops laughing. Cheers fill the room. This night changes everything. Smile is no longer just Smile. A new story begins here. The band plays every night. They travel from bar to bar. Money is always short. Freddie wants more than small stages. He talks about big music and big dreams. He asks the band to take a risk. They sell their old van. They put all the money together. They walk into a small studio. This is everything they have. There is no way back now. Freddie feels excited and scared. The first album comes out. The sound is new and strange. People do not notice it much. Freddie feels disappointed, but not broken. He still believes in the music. One day, a music man hears the demo. He asks to meet the band in a bar. He asks one simple question. He asks what makes them different. Freddie answers without fear. He says they sing for lonely people. He says their fans feel lost too. The deal is signed. The band enters a new world. They go on TV shows. The show asks them to fake sing. Freddie hates fake moments. He sings with real voice. He does not care about the rules. The tour begins. Crowds get bigger each night. The band feels strong on stage. But Freddie feels bored with old rock. He wants opera sounds. He wants loud guitars too. He wants all of it in one song. The boss says no. He wants safe songs. Freddie locks himself in a room. He writes day and night. Notes cover the piano. Weeks pass. Months pass. The song finally takes shape. It is long and wild. It sounds like nothing before. The boss listens and gets angry. He says the song will fail. Freddie stands firm. He says the band will leave. He does not step back. The song goes to a small radio station. The DJ plays it once. Then he plays it again. Phones start to ring. The song spreads across the city. Then it spreads across the country. Then the world hears it. Stadiums fill with people. Voices sing together. Freddie stands in the sound. He feels free at last. On tour, Freddie holds a ring. He asks Mary to marry him. This moment feels unreal. He believes happiness will last forever. After the tour, he returns home. He plays a tape. Thousands of people sing his song. Freddie watches in silence. His dream is now alive.
We tell movie stories in simple English, so you can picture everything in your mind and learn English naturally through understanding. Follow the channel and make learning English easier.